There's one book that we've given to hundreds of team members these past 8 years. And every so often, sometimes years after the fact, we hear from them about how much the book meant to them, how much it changed their lives, the way they think and feel. That book is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Hi, I'm Fiona Kesby, CEO and co-founder of GoTeam. After speaking with hundreds of CEOs, I noticed that all highly successful companies share something in common. They've given themselves the ultimate competitive advantage by investing in training, both for themselves and their team members. And in particular, training around the 7 habits of highly effective people. Now, this June, we're excited to bring the 7 habits of highly effective people signature 4 live and in person to Cebu City. Our friends at Franklin Covey describe the 7 habits as the proven individual effectiveness operating system. It empowers participants to gain increased maturity, greater productivity, and the ability to manage themselves. If you read this classic, or have joined a 7 Habits event before, you'll know how valuable the insights can be, how the habits and the principles that anchor them can move us to take responsibility for our choices, show us how to live life by design, and inspire us to focus on what's truly important instead of what's merely urgent yet ultimately trivial. This material even has the potential to make us better, more effective listeners. Imagine how our loved ones would feel about that. My brother, GoTeam founder Matt Kesby, will facilitate our event in Cebu. Now, before creating GoTeam, Matt served as the execution practice leader for Franklin Covey in Australia and New Zealand and taught the 7 habits for more than a decade. His mentors include Chris McChesney and Jim Hewling, co-authors of another Franklin Covey classic, The 4 Disciplines of Execution. We've seen firsthand how embracing the 7 habits has made a difference in the lives of team members. Without a doubt, this is one of the most rewarding experiences leaders can have. Stephen Covey wrote, "Leadership is communicating people's worth and potential so clearly that they can see it themselves." Our live in-person event, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, will take place on June the 20th and 21st at the Cedar Hotel in Cebu IT Park. We hope to see you and your team there for the ultimate competitive advantage.